Hi there! Have you ever wondered how every time the storms shown by the weather forecaster and the news television spin in a certain direction? And why do they spin in the first place? Well, I'm pretty sure that's something to do with this! You probably think, so this is why water in the bathtub spiral down the drain in a certain way, or that it determines the way toilet flushes. Well, here's the thing, that's false. Those are not caused by the Coriolis effect.
However, the Coriolis effect is what makes the storm and typhoon spin.
What is Coriolis effect?
It was named after the 19th century mathematician, Gustav Coriolis.
And it's a phenomenon that causes fluids like water and air to curve as they travel across or above the Earth's surface.
To basically understand the idea, Earth is constantly spinning around its axis from west to east. And because the diameter of the Earth at the equator at 40,076 km is so much greater than it is at the poles at 0 km, the land of equator is moving much faster than the land everywhere else, about 1,638 km per hour at the equator compared to about half that at 60 degrees north latitude, and pretty much stationary at the poles.
Let's pretend you are standing at the equator and you want to throw a ball to your friend in the middle of the northern parts. If you throw the ball in a straight line, you might think it would land straight north, but the equator is spinning around the axis faster than the middle of the northern parts. That means that the ball is spinning faster as well, and when you throw it, that spinning momentum is conserved. So if you throw your ball in a straight line towards the north, it will land somewhere to the right of the middle of the northern part. So in your point of view, in the equator, the ball will have taken a curved path to the right.
Everywhere you play global scale catch in the northern hemisphere, the ball will deflect to your right. And the opposite would happen in the southern hemisphere. The ball will deflect in your point of view to the left.
So what does this have to do with the spinning of storms?
Well, at the center of every storm is an area of very low pressure. As a result, the high pressure surrounding the center eye of the storm is constantly rushing towards the low pressure void in the middle. But because of the Coriolis effect, the air at each side rushing towards the center of the storm deflects slightly to the right, and it keeps getting deflected, causing the entire system to spin in a counterclockwise manner. In the southern hemisphere, where the Coriolis effect pushes air to the left, the opposite happened, the storm will spin in clockwise direction.
The Coriolis effect working at that scale does affect entire climate patterns.
Because the impact of the Coriolis effect is more significant with high speeds or long distances, but it can make itself felt from whatever you left on your toilet.
Because the movement of fluids in this basis is dependent on the manufacturer's design or outside forces such as strong breeze.
The Coriolis effect does influence bigger, slower moving fluids
And ocean currents, which can end up creating storms.